Hi kids! Welcome to Kindness Tales, where magical stories share lessons on caring and friendship. Join fun adventures, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's start today's story.
Trapped in the grayness of a rainy day, Lena sits listlessly by the window. A glimmer from beneath her bed snags her attention, hinting at forgotten wonders. "It's magic," Lena whispers, watching in amazement as the painted ball leaps from the page, scattering golden light. In her room, Lena sits at her desk, a drawing of a puppy lying unfinished before her. She attempts to ignite the drawing with the magical brush, but the brush remains stubbornly lifeless. "Why won't you work?" Lena asks, her voice tinged with sorrow. "I should have shared you." Lena and Tommy stand by an old willow, their brushes dancing across the canvas, bringing a playground to life with vibrant strokes. As the merry-go-round swirls into existence and the trampoline gleams, the brush sparks with celestial light, bathing their faces in warmth. "See? Sharing really does make things better," Tommy exclaims, as children flock to the playground, their laughter filling Lena's heart with warmth. "Way better."
Wow, friends! Thank you so much for listening to our story with so much excitement. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing and exciting adventures. And always remember, share kindness, be brave, and keep the wonder of stories alive in your hearts.